Good afternoon, everybody. It's Monday, December the 5th. This is I'm on Lyle, sitting in the bus station parking lot. Apparently they're done for the day here. They got cleaning up to do of all the rubble and steel and garbage. And then I guess they'll be getting into the next building there. But I've been trying to follow as they're going through town. I'll take a look up there at Shoemaker again and Soul Street, the only other two places that I know are being worked on right now to demolish. I'm just trying to follow it, folks. Come on, phone. Well, that's what we got here. There's a street there right next to that building, Sheridan. This is Lyle. Fifth Avenue is on the other side of the empty lot. Well, the lot that's being torn down. That dumpster says Michael Brothers. That one over there says Tube City. I assume that one's for the metal scrap. So let's go check on the other places.